Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Have you always wanted to wake up with a view of the ocean? Well, now you can. Nestled in the upscale community of Spring Valley, Tower Isle St. Mary is this beautiful 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom property. This home sits on approximately quarter acre of land and has an open living, dining, kitchen with a separate entertainment room area on the main level. Also on the main level is a large balcony where you can enjoy spectacular 180 degrees view of the ocean. The second level contains a 2-bedroom boat with ensuite bathroom, a kitchen, and an open living and dining area. The possibilities are endless. Guys, it's time to take a look at this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 600,000 or Jamaican $92.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.